Hi, I'm Joe Barton from Ramp, the Dennis Advertising Agency, with your Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today, I want to talk about rankers and trenders in radio and TV advertising. The vast majority of radio and television sales reps will come in and show you a ranker of how that station is or program is currently doing. So ratings come out multiple times a year depending on where you live and what market you're in. And most of the time, they'll give you what it is currently doing. Well, that's important, but the most important report is a trender. So let's say your market is measured 10 times a year. So there are 10 rankers individual. What a trender shows is all of them in a row. So you start to see trends. If you see 10 books ago or 10 rating cycles ago, a station was doing really well, but for some reason, each consecutive month afterwards or rating period, it's going down. That's a trend that it's probably going to continue to go down. Conversely, you may see the trend go up. So if a salesperson comes in and shows you rankers, be sure to ask them for a trend report as well. To learn more about Ramp, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP, R-A-M-P.